Michelle, we know the truth. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's hot. We're going to have a picnic today. It's something that we don't do very often, Michelle. No, she's a Barbie. We had to pretend the baby, so Michelle going to take her to M&S. Going to the M&S store. So yeah, they're there. They are breathing, guys. Do not worry. They're absolutely breathing. Welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going to go out with a friend of mine. I was feeling a bit flat, but you know, onwards and upwards, guys. I'm applying some summer makeup, something very light. It's very warm at the moment. The sun is not particularly out, but yes, I just thought, get out, girl. You know, it was my friend's birthday 2 days ago, and I didn't go, you know, to celebrate with her, which I feel really bad about it. Yes, but like I said, onwards and upwards, guys. So I am ready. My friend is downstairs. The sun is out again. The sun had gone at some point, but it's back. So myself up, because the same way you feel sad, I've been learning that you can also change that. So that's the plan. I'll take you guys along. Perhaps I'll make 2 parts, you know, part 1 and part 2, because I've been recording on my iPad and the storage is atrocious. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Make sure you watch part 1 and part 2 coming up soon. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Let's enjoy summer. Cool. She's there. She's there. We going. Hi, girls.
Hello. You alright?
This is England.
What's going on here?
I've got a lot of American subscribers.
What's that?
This is the British. This is the ghetto. See them? Yeah. This is Shelly Bellied Blunt. She's coming to Texas. We like big houses, and you know, she drives Audis and BMWs. That's what she likes. She's into cars. Yes, guys. Life is great in Britain. We really love our British weather. Aww. We whinge a lot. It's just part of being British.
Too hot.
Too cold. Never content with life. They changed his name. Michelle, we know the truth. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's hot. We're going to have a picnic today. It's something that we don't do very often, Michelle. No, she's a Barbie. Concentrating. So yeah, guys, enjoy. We have got Paloma at the back. You want to introduce yourselves, girlies? When I get my ass out of this car, they'll bite me. Like daughters, like mother, like daughters, or is the other way around? Like daughters, like mother.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Get some
But I gave you too long.
Oh yeah, we're going to the
to
house.
watch your blue eyes fade to gray
Hi, girlies.
as you fade away.
Guys, Michelle has
Oh, you
got
get them
2
from here?
adorable chihuahuas. She treats them like human beings, like babies. They are spoiled, rotten. I mean, the weather is gorgeous. We're heading to the park to have a little picnic. Guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please support my channel. Let's us hit like at least 2,000 subscribers, then 3,000, then 100,000. I know it's a big leap there, but it's possible, guys. It's possible with your help. Thank you so much. We had to pretend the babies, so Michelle going to take the to M&S, going to the M&S store. So yeah, they're there. They are breathing, guys. Do not worry.
In the car.
They're absolutely breathing. Yeah, they're not dying. We are going with the babies. Oh, Laura. Good afternoon. Just pretending she's staring at me. We going to get fish cakes. What do you fancy? Shopping by. I'm sure what alcohol do you want? He said if I drink any alcohol, and I said, I would never ruin myself like that. My friend is looking for cocktails or something like that.
Oh, there.
Oh, I need to get. How much is it, Michelle? On the phone?
Yeah.
Michelle, you knew all of this? That
Yeah.
is. The park. Michelle's getting some tickets. And how much are the tickets, Charlie?
I don't know. We need to work out which car park I want with.
We're going to get some tickets. Pull in the push set.